Hello all, welcome back. Thanks for your comments, subs and likes. Today I'll give you a quick update on my tomatoes and my cucumbers, let you know how they're getting on now. Then I'm going to take you outside and harvest my onion sets, and then I haven't potted my sweet peppers up yet. I need to do that today as well. So these are the beef steak tomatoes. They're not doing too bad. They are starting to grow like tomatoes, but as you can see, I've been getting a lot of big side shoots. That's a side shoot there, but it's got a flower truss there as well, as you can see. Hang on, let me pull this off. You'll see be able to see the flower truss. There's one there. There's two in there. Get them out. There's the flower truss there. This is the other one. This is a lot better, this one actually. This one's growing more normally, but still pinching out the side growths every day, just so they don't get too big. But really I need to tie these up. Let's see, beef steaks. As you can see, the marigolds are coming out in flower really nice now as well. Right, these are the supposed to be the sun gold, but I'm having second doubts with some of these, to be honest, because some of these look more like a beef steak, but they are getting better as they grow. This is probably the most normal one, but look at the size of that shoot. I never saw that before. I was saving one of these to show you, but it's a humongous side shoot. This is a side shoot, so I need to get a pair of scissors on that. And there's another big side shoot. So this year they've been growing a lot of big side shoots. Let me snap this one off because this one's the easiest. No, I'll have to get a pair of scissors for them, because look at the thickness of it. I need to get another bigger stake in here as well, so I can stake them up straight. This one's a little bit better. Still more big side shoots. There you go, that one come off quite easy. Look at that for a side shoot. I'll tell you, they've grown crazy. This one's almost normal. Needs another stake in it really. But I've been getting a lot of growth like this. You can see, look, it's got one side shoot there. Then the top looks like it's split into two, like it's normal growth. And it's got a flower bud that side, so I'm probably going to take this one off, I think. So let me get some scissors, get some of these big ones off that are too big to just snap off, and I'll show you this big one behind here. I'm shocked about how big that is. This is what I've taken off, as you can see. Look how chunky they are. But like I say, I've been getting double growth on the top, like I showed you. Like this one, I've been getting like double growth quite a lot. But as you can see, I've taken the top off now. So, and I've also put a bigger cane on this one, so to help it grow straighter. These are the onion snowball. As you can see, a lot of them have fallen over by themselves, but I have been helping some, because some of them go soft. But this one's quite stiff, this one. But when they start getting soft, you can help them go over if you want to. But I'm going to leave them two, that one and that one. I'll leave them two there, see how we go with them, see how big they get. These are the French climbing beans. They have got flowers on now. There, as you can see, yellow they are when they flower out. And these are the good old runner beans. They're doing quite well, got quite a lot of flowers, but like I thought, as you can see, I've got black fly and I have to get the soapy solution out and give them a squirt. But they are starting to climb. There is some that's already got to the top of it already. So yeah. So, right, I'll show you my other onions over this side. Like I said, I left these have been curing in the ground, they've been alright, but yeah, this one's a little bit soft, as you can see. Hasn't quite gone over yet, but you can just push them over because they are quite soft. What's this one like? Oh, that's not too, that's quite soft. You can just bend them over like that if you want to. That's a hard one, so yeah, well. Right, let me start digging some of these out. I've got these ones over here as well. These are the radar onions. But I think that one over there is going to be my best one. So yeah, right, I'll start with these. I'll get this netting off. I'll set you up and I'll take them up and show you as I get them. There you go, that's the first lot of onions, radar. Got some quite nice size ones. That's quite a nice one, that one. And that one. But a lot of them did flower, so they're not really going to store. But so I've got some nice size ones in there. Got a few small ones, but I'm not bothered about that, to be honest. Got some nice size ones, but I don't grow to show, and I don't grow to see how big I can get them, really. Even though I do try to get them a bit bigger sometimes, like with them onions outside I'm going to leave them to get them a bit bigger. But yeah, I don't really grow to show or anything like that. I just grow to eat, so it doesn't matter if it's not perfect, you know what I mean? I'm going to harvest these onions because these need to come out really, because as you can see they're all nice and, well, some of the radar or most of the radar are dry, so I'll probably just pick the rest of these radar, leave them snowball in with these others. Once they dry out a bit more, then I'll get and harvest them when they've dried out a bit. Let's take these garlic down because I want to put the onions on there. So I'm going to take these garlic off. I'll show you them. Then I'll get my onions and I'll put them through like I have with the garlic. So let me get that done and I'll come back to you. I've taken my garlic off. Let's put most of my onions on there, as you can see, so I just leave them to cure. A few small ones, but some are alright, and these are probably my 3 best ones, so not a bad size onion from a set, to be honest, so I'm quite happy with that. But these are the garlic that's been drying. As you can see, they're well dry now. Start using them whenever I need now, so that's good. I'm happy I've got them out. That's all the radar out now. I've just got my snowball to harvest when the tops start dying off, like I showed you, like these ones. Some of these need to start going brown. I have started, but I can leave that until next week, I think, or the week after. We'll see how we go. So, right, let me move this and that, and I'll show you my cucumbers. These are my cucumber telegraph. As you can see, they're coming on the stalk now, but I have been picking off the bottom flowers, so any flowers that come off near the bottom I'll just take off. I have got one there, so, and there is a few that are going to develop inside there. It focuses there, so we'll have to see how we go with them. I haven't seen any females yet, so I don't think that's a female. No, I think that's a male, to be honest. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is, so I'll have him off. Right, this is my other cucumber as well. This one's split into 2. So I've got this one, which is a left-hand runner, which is this one that's coming down here. Then I've got this one that's running off and up to this one. So there was flowers on here, but I've taken them off. So that's a bit of an update. They're looking a lot better now, especially this one. Now this one's starting to get a grip with its tendrils. It's away. Right, it's pepper time at long last. These should have been done a long time ago, as you can see. I'm not going to show you me putting them on because I showed you one already, but what I'm going to do is I've got my compost bin here. And I've still got some of that home-based compost, so I'm going to take this, come round out here, and take some of my compost that I've put in here from last year. Put some blood, fish and bone mixed in with it, and I'll get on and plant up these peppers. So yeah, a few to get on with, so I'll get on with that and I'll come back when I've done them. That's all these sweet peppers planted up now. I'll give these a water later on when I do my watering, but there's some there and there's some up there, so I need to make a bit of space so I can space these peppers out. But these irises are doing quite well, so I'll probably be planting these out somewhere next week. I need to sort out these lily bulblets as well. And when I went to the shop, I got some other lilies, the tree lilies, so they can get quite high. But anyway, next week I'll plant these lilies out. I'll transfer these little bulblets and I'll show you the lilies that I got. I haven't really talked about my fruit bed that much, so I'll show you it now. So these are my gooseberry bushes. This is a couple of years old, this one. As you can see, it's got some nice gooseberries on it, that's for sure. These ones are only cuttings that I took, so there isn't any real gooseberries on them, to be honest, but they're going to get pruned, so they're like this. So it's one long main stem. This is the turnip, purple top. I've been mounding up, so hopefully we get a half decent turnip. And these are my black currants, as you can see. They're quite nice, so I think I'm going to harvest some of these today as well. I'll get them harvested and put them in the tray. I've got some raspberries there as well. I'm not going to pick them yet, I don't think, because that's the first lot I've got. All the rest are still like in flower, so I don't know if anything's going to come of them or not. But really, I need to get a stake up in each end of this gooseberry thing so I can keep these back. Right, I'll get and pick these black currants and I'll get back to you. There's a few black currant. I'm surprised I've got that many, to be honest, because like I say, it's 5 years old and I've only not long transplanted it from the neighbour's garden, so I'm surprised I've got that many. There's still a few on there, but hopefully by next year we should get a nice pallet full. Let it get established where it is now, and then we'll see how we go. Right, thanks for watching, commenting and subbing. If you haven't subscribed yet, the bell's down on that corner. Click on the bell and click on all and you'll get my notifications. I was looking through some of my analytics yesterday and it looks like some of you that have subscribed haven't clicked on the all. So you need to click on the all as well, then you'll get my videos each Saturday at around 7 o'clock at night. Right, thanks for watching. I'll catch you later. Bye.